Hey guys, I'd just like to share with you my latest fish. And this little guy is a Kirin Parrot Cichlid. Interesting lineage, man-made fish. This is the product of mating, crossbreeding a red parrot and a flower horn. And they came up with this little guy. From what I've been told, he'll max out at about 8 inches. But you can clearly see the parrot in him. His colors are magnificent. He's a beautiful fish. I never even knew they existed. I mean, I believe in the past I've heard that name Kirin, K-I-R-N, before, but I never actually saw one. Then, of course, I was on eBay, where I get all my fish of value, and there they were, babies. He had 1.5 inches. They're highly aggressive, I was told, and I'll probably just raise him up in this 37-gallon by himself. But he's adorable. He kind of reminds me of the Camphor Blue short-bodied flower horn that I have, Junior. When I got him, he was like about 1.5 inches, and now he's pushing maybe 3. Anyway, I wanted to share this with you. I find this little fish fascinating. Anyway, thank you for watching, and until next time.